Hi everyone. So I am holding a really fun camp at the Homeschool Hub in Mechanicsburg this summer, and I am so excited about it. It is called Let's Make a Play. And so this would be a good theater credit for high schoolers. It is for grades 4th through 12th, but that is okay because I feel like the older kids can take on sort of a mentoring role or responsibility with the younger kids. And you need younger kids on the stage too. And what this will do is, as a group, we are going to write a script, including stage direction. We're going to learn good dialogue. We're going to learn characters. We're going to learn about plot development. All of these literary techniques are going to go into it. So, like on the sly, they're kind of learning about writing as well while creating this script. So for the first 2-3 weeks, that's what our focus will be. And then after that, they're going to put on the play that they wrote. And it's really going to be something that they're proud of because it is 100% theirs. Each child will have a hand at directing. Each child will have a hand at costume design if needed, depending on their play. They just may need street clothes. I don't know. Each child will have a hand at finding props, at doing setting, at thinking about all of these things. So every single aspect of this show will be 100% the kids, and every single one of them will be involved in every single aspect. So I feel like this is going to be something that each of these kids can be proud of. And it can also provide for homeschoolers, especially high schoolers, a theater credit, which is an arts credit or a humanities credit. So that's really exciting. And it starts June 12th and it runs 10 weeks. So there are 20 sessions, and it is from 10:30 to 12 every Tuesday and Thursday. We will hold the show on the last day of class, depending on how many students I have and how long the show is. Maybe we'll do it outside. Maybe we'll do it at the Homeschool Hub. Maybe we'll find a church to show it in, but we will. So I'm really excited about this one, and I would love to share this class with your kids. Thank you.